So, let's solve the problem number 1. A gymnast begins a cartwheel with an acceleration of 2 meters per second is starting from rest. How far have they moved from their original position after 4 seconds? The problem is from rest to moving. So the next we need to do is find the value of xi, xf, vi, vf, t, and a. The value of xi and vi is 0 dahil galing sila sa rest. And yung xf naman natin is yung kailangan nating hanapin. And yung vf naman natin is not given. The t or time is 4 seconds. T is 2 meter per second squared. So, kailangan na natin siyang isolve. The formula you need to use is the formula number 3, which is xf is equal to xi plus vi t plus at over 2. So, makakancel yung xi natin and yung vi natin dahil wala silang value. So, ang matitira na lang is xf is equal to a2 over 2. So, next natin gagawin is papalitan na natin yung value ng a and ng t, which is 2 meter per seconds times 4 seconds squared over 2. So, the final answer is 16 meter. The gymnast traveled 16 meter from the starting position.
For prob set number 2, a girl is hopping in a straight line. She starts from rest and covers a displacement of 8 meters in 4.58 seconds. What is his final velocity? The first thing we need to do is to find the variables. The variables are xi for initial distance, xf for final distance, vi for initial velocity, vf for final velocity, a for acceleration, and t for time. Going back to the statement, she starts from rest and covers a displacement of 8 meters in 4.58 seconds. Starting from this statement, we can already find some variables. From rest, it indicates that the xi and vi is 0, and xf for 8 meters, stating the displacement of the girl is only 8 meters, and 4.58 seconds for time. What is his final velocity? And we will mark A for blank. I will use this formula xf is equals to xi times t, vf plus vi over 2 times t. We will cancel out xi times t and vi because these variables is equals to 0. Now we will now multiply vf times t, then over 2. We can cancel out 2 by multiplying it by 2 and the other side by 2. After that, we will now divide both sides by t to cancel out vf times t. Vf now is equals to 2xf over t. By this, we can now put the given value in the given variables. 2 times xf or 2 times 8 meters over t or 4.58 seconds. We can now solve for the vf or final velocity. 16 divided by 4.58 seconds is 3.49 meters per second. The girl is hopping in a straight line with the final velocity of 3.49 meters per second.
So now, we will solve our word problem number 3. An athlete decided to go jog at the school's covered court to warm up for his upcoming training that afternoon. He started at rest and eventually gained constant acceleration of 1 meters per second squared, and he jogged a distance of 8 meters. How long did it take him to get there? So first, we will find the value of the following: xi, xf, vi, vf, t, and a. So, our problem is resting to moving. So, our xi and vi is 0. While ang xf is 8 meters because ayun yung na-cover niya. While VF is not mentioned, so it's not given. T is the one we need to find, and A is 1 meters per second squared. We will use Formula 4, which is XF is equal to XI plus VIT plus 80 squared over 2. So, i-derive natin siya para mahanap natin yung T. Cancel muna ang mga zeros. So, ang XI and VIT will be cancelled out. So, ang matitira is XF is equal to 80 squared over 2. So, multiply both side by 2 para cancel na si 2 and divide both side by A. So, ang lalabas is T squared is equal to 2XF over A. So, lagyan natin ng square root yung T para makancel yung squared and ganun din sa kabila. So, yun, ang lalabas is T is equal to square root of 2XF over A. So, now let's substitute. T is equal to square root of 2 times 8 meters divided by 1 meters per second squared. So, cancel lang M, ang matitira is S. And the answer will be T is equal to 4 seconds. So, it took him 4 seconds to get there.